Disneyland welcomes over 28 million guests every single year, and nearly 10 million of them choose to stay off property. With so many options just minutes from the park, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming.
So today, we're bringing you inside the one that we keep coming back to.
Howard Johnson Anaheim, the best hotel near Disneyland.
It's the best. Love it.
Welcome back to another Mouse Vibes video. We are so excited to be back at the Howard Johnson Anaheim.
Shout out to Howard Johnson for hosting the Mouse Vibes. It's been a few years since we've stayed here and we can't wait to check out everything that's new. Let's go check out the Howard Johnson.
It's such an exciting time for Howard Johnson Anaheim because they're about to enter their third and final phase of a multi-year renovation.
These renovations are gonna make this place feel more modern while still keeping that retro feel.
There are 6 buildings on property. Building 1 was renovated starting in 2022 and has retro-themed rooms, primarily offering 2 queen beds with a park view of the Matterhorn and 1 king bed and 1 bunk bed suites. These rooms include amenities like balconies, microwaves, mini fridges, mini coffee stations, light-up vanities, and walk-in showers. We have a full video showcasing these rooms in the description below. We love Building 1 and we've stayed here several times and it's always a good experience. Building 2 has renovated premium, deluxe, and ADA rooms overlooking the garden pool. These rooms include the same amenities as Building number 1. Building 2 also has a really cool, really unique suite, which we'll be showing you later in this video, so stay until the end. No, but really, you're not gonna wanna miss it. We've stayed in Building 1, we've stayed in Building 2, but right here, Buildings 3 through 6 are about to get a huge makeover, and we get to be the first to bring you guys inside to look at the brand new renovated rooms. This is the brand new signature 2-queen room coming to the Howard Johnson Anaheim. It's designed to accommodate up to 5 guests and features 2 queen beds along with a fixed twin sofa bed, but our favorite thing about this whole new experience is this built-in nook.
It's perfect.
And this is the brand new signature family suite. This was created by combining 2 original guest rooms into 1 expansive space. This suite sleeps up to 6 adults and offers separate living and sleeping areas along with 2 full bathrooms. It's ideal for larger families and multi-generational travel, and this suite delivers a space and functionality in the decor that is reimagined through a modern California vacation lens. Upon completion, this renovated room mix is going to include 10 signature family suites and 73 signature 2-queen rooms. Those new rooms were gorgeous, and while we don't have a big family, I really want to get like 12 of our friends and go in that big Miami Vice family suite.
Hey man, Miami Vice is #1 new show.
With the 2 patios, that was so nice, so clean, so pristine. I love that big family suite. Okay, now let's get to the absolute coolest room on property, the Retro Future Suite. If you are looking for a spacious, fun-themed room that won't break the bank, this is definitely where you want to stay at the Hojo. There is so much room in here, and it is highly themed, and you can't really find a lot of themed rooms here in the area.
Is this what George Jetson felt like when he came home from being cool all day? Just like reading cool books. Then he goes and rides the Matterhorn across the street. This is so awesome. And there's an exclusive shag right behind me.
The thing I love most about this painting is it depicts a great family always hanging out with each other without an iPhone. Like everybody's like enjoying each other's company and they're like looking at each other and they're not distracted. Really miss those days. I think I need to call my mom.
The part of the painting I love is the detail on it really only sleeps 4 people. My real question is, do all the people who do housekeeping and house cleaning around here dress up as astronauts? Because if that's the case, I'm not going to the park. I'm just here to watch the astronauts. Another personal favorite touch inside the Retro Future Suite has to be the record player. There's a working turntable, and underneath was a collection of records that was all appropriate for the time period.
Welcome to the goodie room.
If you're into pop culture history and you're really into good theming, or you just like really love the Jetsons, you want to stay in the House of Retro Future Suite here at Howard Johnson Anaheim. But the absolute coolest part about staying in this suite is that it's actually based on a defunct Disneyland attraction, the House of Monsanto. And what is the House of Monsanto, you might ask? Well, it's the defunct Disneyland attraction that was inside Tomorrowland from 1957 to 1967. And we're actually like in this right now. And it's on the TV, and the Jetsons over there in that shag custom painting. It's not really the Jetsons, but I keep wanting to call them that. They're sitting inside of it too. You can't really find this type of theming at any of the on-property hotels. And listen, we love all the Disneyland on-property hotels, but you get some characters in there on the walls and whatnot, but this is like you're actually stepping into the future. But like back into the future, you know what I mean?
This room is massive. It's 700 square feet. It says it sleeps 4 people, but you can easily fit 37 Ashleys in here. I mean, there's 2 couch areas, a seating area over there, and then this lazy Susan to get real lazy with.
A little fun fact, when we were at Tokyo Disney Sea in 2018, we bought these blind boxes, and the fact that we have not lost this tiny thing in 8 years, can't do math, is wild to me. It was meant to be that we're here in this suite. And children, if you ever wanted to know what your grandparents' microwave looked like back when they were kids, you can find that here in the House of Retro Future suite. And if you guys don't have this cool little toy because you didn't go to Tokyo Disney Sea and do a blind box, they have the House of Monsanto right here. If you look at any of the reviews on Hojo, all of them talk about how comfortable the Hojo beds are. We have slept here several times and I get the best sleep, but obviously let's put these sweet beds to the test. This is so nice. I love the beds here at the Hojo. Nice and fluffy, great pillows. I'm gonna get such a good night's sleep.
Okay, this is quite an unusual restroom. I don't know how people will use the restroom or what their habits are in the future, let alone a retro future suite, but there's 2 restrooms connected here. There's a combination of 3 sinks, 2 showers, and a master toilet that looks like it's from the future. I've gotten to take a sneak peek, but I want your reaction looking at this futuristic bathroom.
Oh my gosh, the toilet tissue is like a flower. That's awesome. Okay, this toilet's huge. I've never seen a toilet shaped like this. Whoa, where's the flusher? Oh, it's a Japanese toilet. Oh my gosh. I'm a toilet from the future. I'm a toilet from the future. That is so cool. Oh my God. There is a whole like old school photo from Tomorrowland with like space people. Spacemen, spacewoman. And you can see the old school sky buckets. I love this. Can we talk about how the walls are textured? It's not just basic tile. So while you're doing whatever you need to do in the bathroom, not only can you feel something cool, but you can look at something cool and you can sit on something cool. 3 cool things just in the potty. And it does have modern technology. I'm not tech savvy enough to figure out the Bluetooth situation, but just know that if you can figure it out, you can hook up your phone or Bluetooth activated device to this huge vanity. I'm more concerned with how much light radiates from my makeup, and it's really good lighting. We have the tiniest shower in our apartment, so when I come to hotels and they have huge showers, I love that. This shower is freaking huge. Now that we've shown you all the renovated room types, it's time to show you this beautiful 7-acre property. Castaway Cove Water Playground is a giant pirate ship play structure for kids. There are multiple splash pads, a drench bucket that drops water every few minutes,
That was a fail.
and several water cannons with sprayers. They also have more mild water slides if you guys have toddlers or babies. If you're a parent who wants to soak in the hot tub while watching your kids, which is called multitasking, you can do that here. And right in front of building number 2 is the garden pool. It's heated, has a lifeguard on duty, and plenty of chairs to relax. Another great thing that I have here at the Hojo is a hidden Mickey. It's not really hidden, but it's a Mickey, and I love it. And they have a giant chair.
I also love the garden area. The garden area is clutch.
The grounds of the Howard Johnson are so quiet, and yes, we are by a freeway, but you absolutely cannot tell. It is so quiet and serene and private back here, and I really like that. I don't like a lot of loud noises. Keep that at Disneyland. I want to rest, I want silence, and you can get that here. So they don't have a restaurant on site here at the Hojo, but they do have a MidMod Mart. So this is where you can get your Disney swag and any little toiletries or drinks that you want. Let's go in.
Okay, I didn't realize that Hojo had particular merch. You can find a ton of the Retro Future Suite merch right in here. The book, the glassware, it's all right over here.
These are so great, like for a little whiskey neat or apple juice.
Even that painting by Shaq, you can get a small print right over here in the MidMod. I wouldn't have guessed that.
So you can match the House of Retro Future suite? This is awesome.
It's limited edition.
Oh, it's by Park Candy. I don't think they sell rosé in Tomorrowland, but if they did, that'd be pretty cool.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
It'd probably come in a cooler cup than this. I should be drinking it out of the Hojo cup. Why did I pour it into this plastic thing?
Go do it.
Good call.
Look at my cool cup and my champagne from the future. Tastes like plastic and microwave chicken nuggets.
don't know why I said that, but it felt like the right thing to say.
Sunset on this patio is insane. It's so beautiful out. The fact that you can see Disneyland, there's a pool view. This might be one of the best kept secrets around Disneyland is staying in the Future Retro Suite because this is insane. Like, I couldn't believe all of the Disney magic packed into one room right across the street at the Hojo.
I'm a California girly through and through, and I just love that you have all these palm trees, signature Southern California. The view is so beautiful. I can hear the Matterhorn. I can see Guardians of the Galaxy. I can see Space Mountain. I don't know if you guys care about sightlines. I do, and this is pretty cool.
Have you ever seen all of those things with a glass of champagne in your hands?
I have not. I kind of want to go back to the MidMod and get these for the house.
You should.
Yeah, they're really cute. Another great thing about staying at the Howard Johnson Anaheim is it's literally a 7-minute walk to the park.
It's the best thing about it. It's right across the street. You can see the monorail, the Matterhorn. And now we're gonna probably do the most risky thing of the entire video, which is walk to Disneyland. We're really gonna see if that 7-minute walk is 7 minutes in 2026. You think we got faster?
I think if we like speed walk, we can get there in less than 7 minutes.
Okay, what is the time right now? Let's just put it on wax. It is
5:10.
5:10.
Well, I'm gonna start the timer just for safety.
For science.
Are we starting now?
And we're starting
gonna grab
right
it now. Okay. Rookie mistake. We started when it was a red light, so we're gonna have to make up for this.
That's like how it would normally be. You can't just pick a red light.
That's true. I haven't had McDonald's in so long, but I can smell the fries and it smells so good. Maybe if I just smell it.
All right, how are we doing on time? What are we at? 5 minutes almost.
I know, we need to get it.
Well, as soon as we cross the street, we're good.
We were stuck behind some slow walkers, which I understand. I'm not a slow walker, but... Okay, we're about to beat it.
It says Disneyland.
Beat it. 5 minutes, 21 seconds.
First off, if you can dream it, you can do it. We just proved it. We just beat a new PR personal record right there. No big deal. The reason we did that is because we outran some other people. If you get behind slow people, it's going to take a lot longer. So hustle, just a little bit of hustle. 5 minutes though.
But why did we consider crossing the street the timer?
Oh.
Why did we consider right when we crossed the street it being Disneyland?
Oh, because it's Disneyland property, obviously. They pay taxes on it and it counts. They're paying taxes for a reason. That's why we just did it. It counts.
Exactly.
Well, that and the sign said Disneyland Resort, so it counts.
Good morning. Can I get a good morning, babe?
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
Very well.
Now that we finally got to experience the House of Retro Future Suite, let's go over the pros and cons of staying in that suite. Pros, it's themed. If you're a Disney nerd, you're gonna love staying there. It's clean, it's big, there's a robe.
In the closet of the House of Retro Future Suite.
The shower is divine, the beds are comfortable, the pillows are exquisite. I think my only complaint is that I can't see the Matterhorn. That's literally my only complaint. I had the best sleep ever. I loved how spacious it was, and you know Mouse 5s love a good theme. But if I do want to see the Matterhorn, I'll just go back to building number 1. So that's honestly my only complaint.
Well, the good thing is you don't have to see the Matterhorn from your room because the Howard Johnson has a live camera looking at the Matterhorn. So this is what the live camera of the Matterhorn looks like. For me, that room is all about theming. It might be the most detailed room I've ever seen around Disneyland. There's usually a splash or a hint of Disney. That looks like Tomorrowland from 1965 threw up all over it, and I'm here for that. Like, I want more things like that. It was so cool to be able to stay in that room. I just want more Disney magic, and that right there is a piece of Disney magic on the other side of Harbor.
We can't thank Howard Johnson enough for hosting the Mouse 5s. As we said, this is literally our favorite off-property hotel. It's a great experience every single time. If you guys want to stay here on your next Disney vacation or visit to Southern California, we have a special code with a special link right below. Just click that link and then put in that corporate code, and you guys are going to get a percentage off of your stay with our rate. So make sure you do that in the description below.
All right, and that's going to wrap up our stay at the Howard Johnson of Anaheim. If you love this hotel as much as us, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not, thanks for stopping by.